Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Morgan and today we are going to be doing a look with this Morphe 35M palette. It's really pretty. I haven't used it that much. I've used it once or twice. Let you see the inside of it. It's really pretty. It kind of gives me anxiety though because all I see are the greens and that's all I want to use. I've done a look with the greens. I'm not exactly sure what look I'm going to be going for today, but then we're also going to check out the, let's see what it's called, the 8L palette. It's the contour and highlight palette. So I've already got my face on. First, welcome. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell notification because we're going to be putting out more content hopefully soon. But first I've got my foundation, which is the Infallible 24-hour wear. I'm in shade 450. And this is my favorite foundation at this time, actually. And then I have my Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer on, my Laura Mercier powder on, and my eyebrows are on. And we're just gonna go ahead and jump into eyeshadow. So first I'm gonna take my ColourPop fluffy blending brush. So first I'm gonna go in with this green shade as kind of my transition shade. I've already got powder on my eyelids and we're just gonna try that out and see what it looks like. I've used it once before. One thing about these colors is they stain your brushes. I figured that out. So I'm just gonna go in with this color in my crease and blend that out as my transition shade. I'm just doing the windshield wiper motions, swirling it around. Next, I'm gonna take this Morphe M532 brush and I'm going to deepen the crease. I'm actually gonna use this purple shade right here. I'm gonna take it and just go underneath that first shade and blend that into the top transition shade. I'm gonna go back with that ColourPop brush again and put a little bit of that green back on and blend that back into the crease. I'm gonna take this dark purple shade right here at the bottom and I'm going to deepen the crease even more with that. I'm gonna take this tiny little brush I actually got in an Ipsy bag. So I'm gonna take, it's a smaller blender. And I'm just gonna take that and deepen the crease. I'm gonna take this little Morphe R42 brush and I'm going to use some of my Milani concealer and cut the crease. Now I'm going to take this little flat shader brush and I'm going to wet it with some setting spray and I'm going to dip into this black shade right here. It's kind of like a purple, it's got purpley like pink sparkles in it, so I'm going to dip into that one and put it on the outer edge of my eye. I'm taking this black purple shade and just kind of winging it out on the outer edge where I took that concealer. I'm gonna take this Luxie 239 Precision. I'm gonna take this Luxie 239 I'm gonna say shader. Can I just say shader? I'm gonna take this Luxie 239 shader brush and I'm going to dip into this darker purple right here after I wet the brush again with some setting spray, and then that is going to go in the center part of my eye. I'm going to take this little shader brush and I'm going to wet it And then I'm going to dip into this bright green shade right here and put that on the inner part. So this is what we have so far. I'm going to put on some bottom eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be right back. Now I have my lashes and bottom eyeliner on. I went in with Electric Daisy with the ColourPop Cream Gel Liners and just my Maybelline Lash Sensational. And now we're gonna play with this Morphe 8L palette. So I have used this quite a bit actually. I've been testing it out and I actually really love it. For my contour colors, I mixed these two right here and I just use those as my contour. I normally get a little bit more of the darker one than the lighter one because the lighter one can pull a little bit orange. I take my little nose contour brush, dip into the same two shades, and just go down the sides of my nose. I take my Morphe R2 brush, and I'm gonna dip into this bottom shade here first, and just use that to kind of warm up my forehead. And then I'm going to also dip into this top shade because it's kind of more of a red, a warm red undertone, and I'm gonna use it on my cheeks instead of blush actually. So
I hope it will help you to do a better job.
And then taking this warmer, redder undertone right here and going in on my cheeks and maybe a little bit on my forehead as well. You have to be careful though because they're very pigmented and you have to blend them out really well or they can not necessarily look splotchy, but like they can look like you've just put a lot of like product on at once. Now that we are sufficiently bronzed, I'm gonna take this little Morphe Rose Gold brush that I use for highlight that has no numbers on it. And I'm first gonna go in with this shade right here, Cosmic, as my highlighter for my cheeks. They're really pretty, really bright. And I like to do that technique where I bring it down more. Just not a bunch of product, but I'll take the product, put it where I would normally put it, and then take the excess and drag it down a little bit just to kind of make my features go up and back more to draw attention that way.
It will help you to do a better job.
And then I'm going to take this shade right here, Lit, and I'm going to go on the center of that highlight on my cheeks. I'm going to use it for my nose and my Cupid's bow as well. Alright, so for my lips, I went in with this Milani lipstick in Chocolate Berries around the outside. And I went in with the ColourPop Aquarius. I think it's was Kathleen Light's collaboration. And I am now going to use this Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, which I absolutely love because I love the sprayer on it. And I'm going to set my face with this. Alright, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? Leave a comment. Subscribe for more content. I really love Morphe products, as you can see. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.